Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Christmas Traffic 3.0 review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new set and forget automated daily traffic source from six-figure earner Dowd. And what he's done, he's released not just a brand new traffic source, but he's also going to be including four of his other products that he's released previously in the year of 2023, and also includes buyers. And you're going to get traffic throughout the whole year of rest of this year, but the whole year of 2024 as well. I'll just come back to this page shortly. I want to just first of all share with you some important information. So this is going to be set and forget automated daily traffic for, it says there 1 year, but it's going to be the rest of this year as well. There's no monthly membership costs with this offer. A bit later on, I'm going to show you how you can get a discounted price. And the beautiful thing about these offers is they're perfect for beginners, because if you haven't got an email list yet, or you haven't got a social media following, then you can start promoting your offer to larger numbers. And also you'll see here that the traffic source also includes buyers. We'll talk shortly about who Dowd is and the size of his email list. And if you want to get your traffic for free, potentially get your traffic for free, you've got an opportunity as an affiliate to earn low to high ticket affiliate commissions. And you'll see here up to $447. The beauty of the high ticket affiliate commissions is that you don't have to buy these yourself. So generally in the industry, what happens is that a product owner says that you have to buy his product before they will give you an affiliate link as a high ticket to be able to promote it. But that's not the case here. So I'll come to those shortly. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. Excuse me. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of Christmas Traffic 3.0 and promote it as an affiliate. So a bit later, I'm going to take you inside the members area, show you what you get as a member, and then also show you the opportunity as an affiliate. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. So I recommend you watch a short video here by Dowd. And what he's saying here, you can just submit any URL. A lead capture page is recommended. Includes four of his previous traffic offers that he's released. So it's a brand new traffic source plus four of his previous ones. Perfect for beginners. You don't need an email list. There's no videos to make. And then you can just set it all up within minutes. So let me just have a look and show you here. I'm going to go inside the members area. First of all, I want to talk a little bit about who Dowd is and why I know, like, and trust him. So Dowd is a six-figure earner. He's created a lot of products in the Warrior Plus marketplace. You'll see here, these are all the accolades that he's won. He's a top 10% product creator. He's an elite product creator. Now, he's also a top 25% affiliate. So what that means for you is that he understands affiliate marketing. He understands your needs as an affiliate on generating leads and commissions. So he's not just somebody who creates products. He's also an affiliate himself. He's an elite affiliate, and 8 of his products have been featured in the top 10 of the Warrior Plus marketplace. So when you join, you get an email where you can get a username and a password to go into the members area. What I like about his members areas are that they're all beginner friendly. It's all really simply laid out. It does lots of videos for each of these sections here to explain things. So you've got an introduction here. In the introduction, he talks about which offers are best to promote. So he know it's his traffic. He's got high ticket buyers, so he knows exactly what he's doing. You've got a URL tester, so you can test your lead capture page just to make sure it's going to load correctly in his system. Just submit your URL. All you do here, it's really, really simple, very beginner friendly. All you do is email a copy of your receipt. So when you get a receipt like this, all I do is just copy these 3 lines, highlight these 3 lines here. That's just proof of receipt that you've paid. And all you do is just copy those 3 lines there, paste it into an email, and oops, wrong page. And then just send it off to this email address here with that subject title. And that's it, really. And it's just as simple as that. So it's very beginner friendly. You can set it up literally in minutes. He's also got some other bonuses. He's very big on bonuses, free bonuses there. He's got some resources here if you want to be an affiliate. He's got squeeze pages to promote the offer. There's also some unadvertised bonuses down there and a search window here to search for anything. So really nicely laid out members area. Let's show you now what you can get as an affiliate. So if you want to promote this as an affiliate, which I recommend you do, if you're new to my channel, I always recommend that when you get a traffic source, you promote it to get your traffic for free as a minimum. And what you do is you get an affiliate link. So in the members area, I'll show you how to get your affiliate link, which is that mine there. And then you just promote one link, and you see that there's 14 products here within this funnel. So you've got an opportunity to promote one link and earn multiple income streams if any of your referrals decide to upgrade. So there's a high ticket one here for $997. And this is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Doward has got his own elite academy. So he's not just an affiliate and a product creator, he's also a coach. And he charges nearly $1,000 to be a member of that coaching membership. So if any of your referrals join that, you'll get a $299 commission. And then he's also got a recurring income one here where if they take the monthly option of 3 payments of $149, that's where that $447 commission comes in. So you'll see here he's also got lots of other great products in that are going to help members build the business faster, excuse me, and earn commissions. He offers reseller rights. He offers more traffic offers with the Pro version and the Pro bundle. So lots of goodies in here. He's got ultimate traffic package here. So the commissions are 50%. You will see here, this one says 100% and 100%. Yours will be 50% because I'm a member of Doward's executive club. And I recommend if you do get a chance later on and you are going to promote his offers and become a member and use them, that you join his executive club because he then pays you 100% on the front end. But yours will be at 50% on those there. Just wanted to share that with you. So let's just have a look now at how to get a discount. So if you want to get a discount on this offer, then the link in the description will take you to the home page. And then when you just refresh this and show you here, so I'll refresh the page. So to get a discount, the link in the description will take you to this page here. And currently the price is, let's just scroll down here, no monthly membership costs. Currently the price is $12.95. But what happens is when you go to leave the page, this box will pop up and you get a $3 discount. So you're going to get it for $9.95. All you do is click on that red button there, and that will take you to a payment page where you can now get the product for $9.95 instead of $12.95. So it's a $3 saving. You're now getting it for under $10. There's no monthly membership costs. I think it's really great value for to automate your traffic and put your offer in front of buyers as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, excuse me, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about Christmas Traffic 3.0, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description. So if you want to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like any help or mentoring with your affiliate marketing, then that's the email address to contact me on. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.